Lay down on your back in a comfortable position. Take a deep inhalation to the base of the spine. And as you exhale, peacefully draw your knees towards your chest. With each palm, hold the knee. And on the exhalation, pull your knees closer to the chest. On the inhalation, send your knees peacefully away. Exhale, we pull the knees closer to the chest, stretching more the lower back. Inhalation, sending the knees away. And continue with this motion a few more times. Trying to feel how the breath and the motion are in perfect harmony. Trying to notice every time you pull the knees in that your back extends closer to the ground. Maintain your breath slow. Maybe maintain your breath even slower. And try to feel how every exhalation takes you a very long time to pull your knees closer to the chest. And every inhalation sends the knees away and let your belly expand. On your next exhalation, as you draw your knees closer to the chest, take your time to lower the left arm extension to the left shoulder. Take your time to also lower the left foot down to the mat. Beautiful. And on your next inhalation, peacefully extend your right shin towards the sky and hold with your right palm, maybe the inside of your foot, maybe the outside of your foot, as you draw your right knee to the right shoulder, to the right armpit, to the right side of your torso. If it's comfortable for you to hold on the arch with the palm, you hold on the arch. But you can also hold from the side of the blade of the foot. It's another option if it feels more available. In any case, try to relax more the right shoulder and feel how you plug closer to the ground the right shoulder blade, and even your right collarbones can relax more. Close the eyes, turn the attention inwards, and take another moment here to feel more and more awareness coming into your body. More relaxation comes to your right shoulder. More expansion comes to your hip, and that happens especially on every exhalation. Lengthen your exhalation so you could feel the right hip able to peacefully open into a greater range of motion. Then slowly release your right arm extension to the right shoulder. Place the right ankle on top of your left knee. Relax the right knee down. Breathe a little bit deeper into both sides of your upper back that relax towards the mat. And gradually start to lower the legs down toward your left side. Stepping eventually the right foot on the mat, relaxing more the right shoulder, and breathing into greater openness of your right hip. Use your next exhalation to slowly lower the right knee down towards your chest, towards your left arm. Take your time to feel how the twist is deepening. Breathe deep and slow, inhale and exhale, noticing the twist rising up to the middle back. Then continue and let your right leg extend further and maybe reach to touch your left palm. Take a moment here to feel the connection that you close, the circle that you close as you let your left palm touch somewhere along your right leg. Make sure your head is either at the center or maybe even turned towards the right side. So the right shoulder is called to rest closer to the ground. Breathe a little bit deeper. Inhale and exhale. Relax your arms and your shoulders closer to the mat. Then release your right leg, relax your left arm, and send your right leg slowly far up to the sky. Beautiful. As you lower the right leg over to the right side, you will feel the left leg gradually rising up and your left foot eventually resting on the floor. Take a moment here to feel your right leg extending, both of your arms extending. Your breath is deep and slow. Press a little bit more firm into the left foot. Lift the left side of the pelvis slightly off the ground and tilt your pelvis slightly to the right. Take another moment in this tilted position of your pelvis, in this asymmetry. A lot of relaxation can happen. A lot of tension can melt away. Then slowly relax the left side of the pelvis back to the mat, and with inhalation, gradually pick up the right leg far up to the sky. Gently bend your right knee and place your right foot on the mat. Take your time to feel the body resting in an even way on the ground. A wonderful opportunity to notice here more sensations of the body, the imbalance that's happening right now, and how it's gradually being moved away as the body restores the balance on its own. On your next exhalation, take your time to pull your left knee closer to the chest. Take a moment to hold with your left palm your left knee and pull the left knee closer to the chest. Beautiful. Then slowly extend your left shin up, and with your left palm either hold the arch of the foot, maybe the blade of the foot. You choose wherever you want to hold, while you maintain your left shoulder as relaxed as it can be. You maintain your chin not too far from your chest. You maintain your knee close to your armpit by the left side of your rib cage. And every moment that passes by lets you relax more your left shoulder. Let you find maybe slightly more mobility and greater range of motion in the left hip. Always towards comfort. Never into pain, especially not in any joint. Ride the wave of your exhalation into more release and openness. Lengthen your exhalation so you have time to relax. And then very, very slowly, release the left arm extension to the left shoulder. Rest your left ankle on top of the right knee and take a moment to feel that left knee very heavy. And pulling on different layers of your lower back to let them stretch more with its weight. Start to lower both legs down towards the right side until the left foot can step peacefully on the floor. Shoulders relaxing more. You observe the shin more vertical to the ground. You relax more the left hip. Take the time and really gradually start to lower the left knee towards your right arm. Relax it more and notice how your lower back stretch more and the twist arrive maybe also to the middle back. After your leg is even closer to the ground and more rested, lengthen your left leg towards your right arm and let them touch, closing a circle. Doesn't matter where you touch. Maybe at the knee, maybe at the ankle, maybe at the foot. All are great options. Peacefully take your time to turn your head away from the leg or keep it at the center. But don't turn the head today to the right side, either left or center. So your left shoulder can come closer to the ground. Breathe slower and deeper to the belly. Inhale and exhale. Try to feel the wonderful expansion all the way far to your left heel. Peacefully release and send the right arm extension to the right shoulder. Gently lift the left leg far up to the sky and let it land by the left side of the body as your right knee is rising. As your right foot eventually steps on the floor and you use it to press into the right foot, lift the right side of the pelvis and gently tilt it over to the left. Lift the right side of the pelvis and gently tilt it over to the left. Inhale and exhale. Notice the motion of the breath. Take your time to feel the tilt of your pelvis, the asymmetry in the pelvis that many times can release a lot of tension. Then peacefully lower the right side of the pelvis back to the mat. Pick up the left leg far up to the sky with inhalation and peacefully land the left foot back on the floor, pelvis width from right foot. Slide your arms closer to the body, about 45 degrees away, and take your time to slide the legs all the way down to Shavasana, to the corners of the mat. Relax more your shoulders and your hips. Breathe into your lower back and give yourself the opportunity to exhale for even longer time. Let your entire body settle into the mat. Relax towards the ground. As your breath is deep and slow, your attention is on your body. You're able to feel even more parts of your body relaxing. Relaxing the feet and the toes. Relaxing the ankles and the calves. Relax your shins and your knees. Relax your thighs. Breathe into your hips and observe them relaxing closer to the ground. Relax your lower belly and your lower back. Feel the gentle motion of your pelvic floor as you breathe. Peacefully push down on the inhalation. Peacefully contracted back up on the exhale. Keep your breath deep, even though it's slow, even though we relax the body more, the breath deepens, lengthens. Feel your abdominal area and middle back relaxing. Let your inner organs relax as well. Digestive system and stomach, kidneys and liver relax. Feel the motion of your chest as it expands and contracts. Feel the movement of your lungs as you fill up the body with air and as you empty the lungs away. Let the back of the rib cage and the thoracic spine relax more. Let your armpits and your shoulders relax more. Let your upper arms relax. Let your elbows sink to the ground. Let your forearms feel closer to the mat because of their weight. Relax your wrists. Relax the backs of the palms. Let each and every finger relax more. Breathe deep and slow, in and out through the nostrils, and observe the peace and the relaxation that moves the flow of prana, that moves the vital force along the neck in a peaceful way, relaxing breathing canal and throat, relaxing base of skull and back of head. Feel the weight of the head resting on the mat. Relax the crown of your head. Feel your forehead slightly wider. Let your eyes relax even more. Let them sink into their sockets. Feel your eyes more steady. Feel the muscles around them relaxing. Take your time to feel the breath still going in and out through the nostrils. Relax the muscles that surround the lips. Invite the lower jaw to drop. And even pay attention to the tongue resting at the bottom of the mouth. Maintain your awareness to your breath, to the lengthening inhalations and exhalations. Feel your body peaceful, all your cells relaxed. And you can let your attention rest deeper into its source. Om. 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 Shanti. Shanti. Shanti.